Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change or update your Facebook page name from your phone. Okay, so let's get started.
Go to your Facebook app and tap on your profile picture on the bottom right corner, and then tap on Pages. Tap on the page you would like to update and tap on the engine that is on the right top corner. Then tap on Page Info, and under the About section, tap on the name of your page to change it. Update your page name and tap on Continue, and then tap on Request Change, and then tap OK.
And if you'd like to have this guide and step-by-step tutorial in a checklist mode or a PDF file, just click on the link down below because you can have this checklist for free. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.